Hey everyone, as you have maybe heard, there's a new Microsoft exam, the DP-700, the Fabric Data Engineer Associate exam. And it is quite new at the moment that I record this video. It's still in beta, but I thought, why not create some videos that help you learn for this and prepare for this exam? And I will do this in combination with Reitse. He will write all kind of articles that are really in detail, and for the people that prefer to read information, you can read these articles, and I will create these videos with the same information in them, but in videos and really showing you some demos and these kind of things. And I think this will be a great combination, because if you prefer reading, read the articles. If you prefer the videos, you can watch the videos. So what are we going to do? So over the next weeks, we are trying to provide as much useful information to you as possible to learn for that exam. So we will give you some demos, describe some key topics in detail. And of course, we will cover the key topics relevant for this exam, and that's implementing and managing an analytical solution, ingesting and transforming data, and of course, monitoring and optimizing an analytical solution. So we will provide you with information about that. It will not be all at the same time, but it will be one by one over the course of the next weeks. And if you wonder how is this different from all these other information sources that I find and the documentation that Microsoft provides, we really try to combine the articles, the text and the videos, and we try to show you as much as possible how things work in demos, so you can actually try it yourself and know where to look at. So if you want to learn for the exam and get all the knowledge you need, make sure to follow this channel and subscribe, so you know every time there's a new video uploaded, you will be informed. And I will make sure that in the description you find the link to the official resources from Microsoft, but also to the articles that Reitse is writing. So make sure to subscribe and let's do this together.